Hey everyone, welcome back to NanoLab Fix. Today we've got something truly special to unbox and explore the DJI Air 3 drone. All right, let's dive right in and see what DJI has packed into this sleek box. Here she is, the DJI Air 3. Just look at that design. It's compact, lightweight, and feels incredibly premium. Setting up the DJI Air 3 is a breeze. And once you're up and running, the flying experience is absolutely phenomenal. The intelligent flight modes make capturing cinematic shots effortless. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Air 3 offers a range of flight modes that cater to all skill levels. Follow me, point of interest, you name it, this drone has it all. Now let's talk about the real star of the show, the camera. The DJI Air 3 shoots in stunning 4K resolution, delivering crisp and vibrant footage. Whether you're a content creator, an enthusiast, or just looking to capture beautiful memories, this drone's camera is a game changer. Look at these shots. The level of detail is incredible, and the colors are so vivid. I can already imagine the incredible content that can be created with this drone. Obstacle avoidance, extended flight time, and a compact, foldable design. The DJI Air 3 has it all. The obstacle avoidance technology ensures a safe flight experience, and the extended battery life allows for more time in the air. Plus, its foldable design makes it super portable for on-the-go adventures. What I love about the DJI Air 3 is how user-friendly it is. The app is intuitive and the controls are responsive. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a first-timer, you'll feel right at home. So there you have it, the DJI Air 3, a drone that's set to redefine the way we capture the world. From its intelligent flight modes to its powerful camera, it's truly a game changer. If you're as excited about the DJI Air 3 as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll catch you in the next video.